Hello, my name is Andres Ernesto Bautista Ortega. My best friends are part of my family. They are my best friends. They are like my family. Luisa, Navarrete, Camilo, and Alejandro. Luisa is a great friend. She's giving food to the pigeons. We are in the park because we are participating in Inclusive Olympics. We are playing with the pigeons because there are many in the park. She is my great friend and brother Navarrete. We are we share stories all the time. His support is important to me. It is funny to listen to him because he is speaking with a lot of emotion and invites us to project ourselves into a successful future. Here he is telling us about his plan for the future with sport and natural. There are Camilo and Alejandro. There are the little ones of the group. Camilo is very intelligent and he explained to us what we don't understand. We have feed the pigeons because they are viewing a lot of corn. Alejandro is a young man down. He is very serious and he is in an orange shirt after having danced on this opening day. They are my big school family they today and forever. Thanks you.